Hello, have a good day. I'm Floria. I want to share you this pillow. Let me show you the details. It's dual LED design in the middle for deep therapy. And here, this is remote control, and here also is touch pillow. So you can control this pillow here or use this remote control. Let me show you the functions. Here it has 6 default mode: fitness, muscle recovery, skincare, acne, pain relief, inflammation. So it has 3 wavelengths: blue, red, infrared. We also prepare the visible goggles for you. I show you in this remote control. Recently, I feel my skin has acne, so I choose the acne mode. I have a blue light therapy. Can you see? Or if your joint is in pain, so maybe it's inflammation, we choose the inflammation. Or if you just finish your whole day work, okay, you are very tired, you want to cure your body, more energetic, so just doing less, just only light therapy. I'm very hot right now. And it's also very easy for you to store. We prepare the floor stand for you, and also you can hang it in the air, or here mount it on the wall. Very convenient. Here, this is our certifications. We are manufacturer, and this one has 3-year warranty. Hope you like it.